Google a verified phone number, how to fix this. So if you've been trying to get a Google Merchant Center approved, or if you have tried it in the past, you might have noticed that Google can throw a lot of issues your way. For example, the unverified phone number, or the worst one, misrepresentation. It does this to safeguard the end user, so your customer. In this channel, I will be making videos about every issue that Google can throw your way to help you resolve them and start making some money on Google. So without further ado, let's dive into this video, how to fix unverified phone number in Google Merchant Center. My name is StijnE-com and we are the Merchant Masters. So the reason behind this, the unverified phone number for Google is so that it can contact you if something is wrong, that your customers can contact you if something is wrong, and there needs to be a contact point in everything. So on your website and in your merchant center. The importance is it shows Google that you are actually a person and that it is working with a person and that you are not a scammer who has had a lot of merchant centers in the past that didn't get approved for some reason. So it wants to make sure that it can contact you. The fix. It's a really easy one, so I will not make this video longer than it has to be. You just get a phone number, maybe your own phone number, you put it on your website, you put it in the Google Merchant Center, and then it should get approved with a call, with an SMS, something like that. Do you not have a number available? There are a lot of options you can do where you can get an online phone number. Most of the times you still have to connect this to a main number so that when someone calls the online number, it will be rerouted to the phone number that you connected. So for example, you can use OpenPhone or some other things to get a new online number. It's connected to your own number, so if you get a call or an SMS, you will be able to see it and you will be able to verify your phone number. It is possible that you don't have a merchant center and that you use a different tool to get your products from your store into the Google Ads account. In this case, it could be that there's an option in that tool to connect your phone number or to use the phone number that is already on your website. When you have verified the phone number, sometimes you need to request a review, but most of the times it automatically then goes to the next step in the verification and the approval of your merchant center. Still having the same issue, what you can do is contact Google. Google is willing to help you with this, with most issues except misrepresentation. So you can get in contact with someone, maybe do a screen share, maybe call, and then they will run you through all the possibilities to get your phone number verified. When you have verified your phone number and you run into a new issue in the approval state, then fix that issue. Google has a website where it shows you all the possible issues you can run into. So I will quickly open it for you to see. So here, for example, the unverified phone number, it will show you how to do this, what you can do, where to fix this. And if you run into a new issue, it also shows this for you, how to do it. If you don't want to read all the pages, I can imagine I did. It's a long one. So I'll be making videos on all these to help you out and to make it easier to digest. If you need help, you can always contact me on my team or through our website or leave a comment here below. I am willing and gladly help you to solve all the issues with the Merchant Center so that you can start making some money through Google. That's it for now. I will not keep on rambling. So if you want to help us, subscribe or like the video. Look into our channel for all the other ones. And for now, I wish you good luck and I'll see you in the next one.